How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 massage mechanism. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, 4mm Allen wrench, wire cutter, provided mech walking tool or drill with a flat head bit, zip ties, a ruler, and a light-colored permanent marker. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. First, we'll remove the back cover. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover to the chair, then remove the cover. Next, we'll remove the upper backrest. Unzip the top of the backrest pad. Open the small zipper near the left-hand speaker, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw that secures the upper left side panel to the upper backrest. Repeat this step to remove the same screw from the right-hand side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the rear of the upper backrest to the chair frame. Pull the upper backrest toward you to remove it. Next, we'll detach the backrest frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the top of the plastic backrest frame to the metal chair frame. Remove the 3 screws that secure each side of the plastic backrest frame to the metal chair frame. Next, we'll uncover the front of the massage mechanism. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. Lift the front of the backrest pad, then unzip the front of the pad on both sides. Completely unzip the right-hand side of the backrest pad. Lift up on the front of the backrest pad, then open the inner zipper. Unzip the cloth massage mechanism cover to expose the massage mechanism. Finally, we'll remove the massage mechanism. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws that secure the 2 white plastic brackets that retain the massage mechanism strap, then remove the brackets. Be sure to save the brackets for reassembly. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws from each side of the metal plate that covers the top of the massage mechanism. Remove the metal plate. Using a wire cutter, cut the 2 zip ties that secure the massage mechanism harness to the chair frame, then cut the zip tie that secures the harness to the spring. Cut the zip tie that secures the harness near the connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that secure the ground wire to the chair frame. disconnect the massage mechanism harness connectors. If the new massage mechanism came with a mech walking tool, remove the battery cap, then attach the battery to the cable. Connect the tool to the exposed connector on the top of the massage mechanism to automatically move the mechanism up the track. If you do not have a mech walking tool, use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the massage mechanism frame. Using a drill with a flathead bit, insert the bit into the top of the rolling motor, then rotate it clockwise to move the massage mechanism to the top of the backrest. You can now lift the massage mechanism out of the backrest. Now, let's replace it. First, we'll prepare the new massage mechanism. To install the new massage mechanism, first measure 14 inches from the mechanism end of the harness and mark it. Next, using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the mechanism frame. If you have a mech walking tool, skip this step. Remove the 4 white plastic wheels from the old mechanism, then install them onto the new mechanism. Next, we'll install the new massage mechanism. With the massage mechanism arms facing forward, slide the massage mechanism rollers into the track. If you have a mech walking tool, connect it to the exposed connector at the top of the massage mechanism to automatically move the mechanism down the track. If you do not have a mech walking tool, using a drill with a flathead bit, insert the bit into the top of the rolling motor, then rotate it counterclockwise to move the massage mechanism down the track. Note you must have removed the 4 Allen screws that secure the rolling motor to the mechanism before installing it to use this option. Hold the rolling motor against the mechanism frame with one hand, then replace and hand tighten the 4 Allen screws to secure the motor to the frame. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to finish tightening the screws. Make sure the yellow limit switch is positioned below the white magnet on the track. Install the ground wire loop onto the screw, followed by the washer, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure it to the chair. Connect the massage mechanism connector to the corresponding connector from the chair, then use a new zip tie to secure the massage mechanism harness and the other nearby harness to the chair frame near the connectors. Cut the excess zip tie. Using a new zip tie, secure the harness to the chair frame about an inch to the left of the connectors. Thread a new zip tie through the small hole in the chair frame just to the left of the previous zip tie, then secure the harness to the frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Thread a new zip tie through the loop at the end of the spring, then secure the spring to the massage mechanism harness at the location you previously marked. Cut the excess zip tie. Place the upper plastic bracket into position over the mechanism strap, aligning the screw holes, then replace the 2 screws to secure it. Repeat this step to replace the lower plastic bracket. Next, we'll cover the front of the massage mechanism. Close the fabric massage mechanism cover zipper. Close the inner zipper at the front of the backrest pad. Starting near the headrest, close the right-hand backrest pad zipper. Close the left-hand backrest pad zipper. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Next, we'll attach the backrest frame. Replace and partially tighten the left-hand upper and middle backrest frame screws. Replace and fully tighten the lower screw, then finish tightening the upper and middle screws. Replace the right-hand side screws in the same way. Place the metal plate into position at the top of the massage mechanism, then replace and hand tighten the 4 Allen screws to hold it in place. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 2 screws to secure the metal plate to the backrest frame. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, finish tightening the 2 screws on each side of the metal plate. Next, we'll replace the upper backrest. Note the 2 horseshoe brackets on each side of the upper backrest assembly and the corresponding posts on the chair. Note the upper side panel bracket and the corresponding pocket on the upper backrest. Aligning these 3 mounting points on both sides, replace the upper backrest. Confirm that both upper and lower posts are seated inside the brackets and that the upper side panel brackets are inside the small pockets. Replace the 2 screws and washers to secure the upper backrest to the chair frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the screw inside the small pocket to secure each upper side panel to the upper backrest. Close each pocket zipper. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the chair. Finally, we'll replace the back cover. Note the back cover posts and the corresponding clips on the chair. Note the back cover tabs and the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the lower tabs into the slots, align the upper posts and clips, then push firmly on the back cover until the posts snap into place in the clips. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 6 screws and washers to secure the back cover. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.